everybody. Happy Greece Day 2, technically. My voice is still gone, but I'm so excited because we are about to head to the airport to hop on the plane to Santorini. I'm just so freaking excited. It's like one of those places that you've just looked at pictures of forever. Now we finally get to go. I'm in this cute little towel. I'm in this cute little white dress from H&M, a little like scarf from Amazon, little bracelets and rings from Target, my Air Force Ones. I'm so excited. It's a beautiful day. Let's do it. Ew, it looks weird. All right, Dad, talk to the vlog. Where are we going?
Good morning, peeps. How y'all doing? Going to Santorini.
Okay, Watts, you excited?
Yes. Yes. I haven't been waiting for this trip at all. Just like, it was so spontaneous. We just planned it last minute.
Unbelievable. Literally speechless. You guys, we freaking made it. Look how beautiful. Oh my god. There's so much outdoor space. This is crazy. Oh my goodness. Wow. All right, let's do the full tour before we absolutely trash this house. This is the living room. So beautiful. It has the what is this called? The view, the overlook, there it is, to the ocean. There's a bunch of like seating space out here. A little TV. And then, yeah, more seating space over there. Dining room area, and then up there is like a little hookah loft. It's so funny. And then what else? This is the kitchen. It's so cute. And then she like totally stocked up the pantry for us and the fridge. The woman who owns this villa, which is on Airbnb. I will definitely leave you guys what this Airbnb is on probably like the last video of the trip. Then this is what my favorite part of the house is. Look at this. Little eating area, too actually. So toasty out here though, I will say. Another little seating area. Not little at all, that's huge. I don't know if you guys can tell how big that is. And then the pool. You can like see all of the buildings on the cliffs. I can't tell which one is Oya. I know we're not personal, like we're not in Oya right now. I think that's how you say it. That's the classic like Santorini houses on the cliff. These houses are definitely more spread out, but I kind of like that. Like it was really cool driving up here. I'll show you guys the bedrooms now. I don't know, I just love the white everything. So beautiful. This is the first bedroom. Oh my god, it's our honeymoon. How did they know? So cute. Noah's room, because as you'll see, the beds upstairs were way too small. Little bathroom. I love all these like accent colors. So cute. So trendy, so chic. White marble stairs. Unreal. And Dad and Tracy's room. It's so pretty. Did we open this yet?
I couldn't figure out how to open it, so I wonder if they got the shutters locked.
Oh no. Huh.
It feels like there's something on the outside.
I think there definitely is, because I remember there being one other balcony. Look at that. So cute. Michael's definitely hiding. Our bedroom. Itty bitty beds that Noah was not going to fit in. So cute. And then this balcony. Oh my goodness gracious. This balcony is so beautiful too. Oh, and then I think there's one other part of the house. Oh, this is another one of the bathrooms. Big jacuzzi tub. More views. Can you tell by my voice how tired I still am? It's literally 12:35 right now. Means it's like 2 a.m. Right? No, I don't think that math is right. Maybe like 4 a.m. But oh yeah. This is the other part. There is a little gym down here. And it's so cute. Get swole on vacay. Like what? You got me a bike! I did miss spin class. Like it smells like a library. Obviously, there's so many books. It smells like my childhood libraries. All right, how this shower though? I have some questions. This is kind of creepy. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's the shower. Yeah, I'm not quite sure about that. Cause like, can you see it? Yeah, I'll use the upstairs one. I think that's all I have to show you guys for right now. I'm gonna go and unpack, and then we're gonna go and grab a little bit of lunch. I'm so intrigued. She's slim, thick. Enjoy. Thank you. All right, first reaction to Greek feta. Oh my God.
It's literally incredible.
That's actually all I want to eat this entire trip. 1, 2,
Thank you so much.
3.
Everything's amazing.
Looks like the mountain. Pasta.
Yeah, that looks so beautiful.
Wow.
If we come back here for dinner, the last night we'll definitely get pasta.
The colors are unreal.
Bree, look at the dog.
Where?
The pup down there. It's a little baby. See him right behind the crate.
Hi, baby. There's a crate.
Or like right behind the thing. Look at him. So excited.
Hi, Munchkin. Look at our little friends.
Oh, my big chicken.
Yes, this is chicken Slovaki right here. And then, oh, feta just ran away. That's such a feta thing to do.
Dinner time.
Wow. Casual dinner.
I'm so good.
Is it?
The lemon on it makes it like so
Can't stop, won't stop. This is strawberry supermoon. Mercury is out of retrograde, people. Hallelujah.
Thank you.
Yours is just pretty. It's like ratatouille.
We should have felt the water to see how warm it was.
This place at night is beautiful. This is nuts. Oh my God, a bobcat! All right, everybody, it is, what time is it? It's 12:30 in the morning here. But like, I'm not really tired, but I took a melatonin to hopefully help me go to sleep, because it's, what time is it? Like 5 o'clock East Coast time? It's okay. Probably by the time I get adjusted to Greece time, it'll already be time to go back to Massachusetts. So why even bother? But yeah, dinner was so good. It was like such an authentic little place right near the Red Beach. If you guys are ever in Santorini, it's like in the Acrotini area, I believe. That's where we're staying. But yeah, the woman who is hosting us in the Airbnb, she made the reservation for us because it's apparently like only known by locals, and it was so authentic and so good. You guys saw in the clips, it was actually like a bunch of local teachers who were there for their last big hurrah of the school year because school got out for them, I want to say like this week, our waiter said, and they were all like doing karaoke and dancing, and it was so fun, so wholesome. I loved it. Going to go to bed, but thank you guys so much for watching this day 1 of Greece vlog. I'm gonna end off this video here and start tomorrow's video in the morning. And tomorrow is a really exciting day. We have a boat for sunset, like a private boat, and it's gonna be insane. I'm so excited. So stay tuned, definitely subscribe, thumbs up this video if you liked it. What was that? I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
No. Pretty Caroline, oh, 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 stone.